By far, this project is one of my favorite. I had some leftover fabric laying around, so I decided to see if I can use it to make a pant. So yeah, I'm sharing the process with you. It's a linen pant with elastic waistband and pocket. I mean all the good stuff in one place. First, you will need your pant pattern, or you can use a well-fitted pant as your tracing guide. Next week, I will share a tutorial on how I draft mine. So once the link for the video is available, I will post it on the description box or on the end of this video. So with that out of the way, let's start the tutorial. First of all, fold the fabric in two to get two pieces for each side. Make sure the pattern is correctly positioned on the fabric by measuring the distance between the gray line and the edge of your fabric. I'm tracing the back side first, marking all the important points. And doing the same for the front. Two pieces for the back. I went ahead and serged all the edges to make it nice and clean. Put the two pieces right side of the fabric facing each other, like so, and sew over it. Now let's make the necessary changes on the front pattern to add pocket and elastic band or elastic waistband. So I put an extra piece of pattern paper under my pattern to draft the changes. Starting from the hip line, draw a vertical line like so. Now connect the waistline with this point. That's our new waistline. This extra centimeters will help us use the elastic in the waistband. So now let's draft the pocket. From the new waist point, measure 8 centimeters. Then measure 16 centimeters. Now connect these 2 points. Now we will have to trace the inside pocket. Measure 26 centimeters. From that point, measure 5 centimeters. We have two options here. First of all, connect these 2 points and form a rectangle. Or you can go a little extra and try to shape the inside pocket according to your hand shape, like I'm doing here. I went ahead and added 1 centimeter for seam allowance around the pocket and the inside. Well, make sure all the edges are well aligned and mark the notches. Because I know that pocket can be confusing, I made this pocket template in a PDF, so you can go ahead and download it for free if you are interested, of course. The link is in the description box. I included a blog post to explain how to use it and how to modify the template if you want your pocket to be bigger or smaller. So yeah, hope you will find it helpful and enjoy it. So now back to the front. Remember this line I drew by connecting the 8 and 16 centimeter? We're gonna fold or cut this part, but after we add 1 centimeter for seam allowance. So trace it on your front piece. And this is how the front piece turned out. Because I didn't have much fabric, my pockets are a little bit out of shape, so don't mind it. Put your pocket facing on the front piece, the right side facing each other. Sew along that edge. Top stitch it. Turn the pocket facing into its place and top stitch the front piece, but this time make sure you are using the same thread color as your fabric. Now we are going to attach the other part of the pocket. Put it under the front side. Make sure the notches are matching. I'm talking about the 8 and 16 centimeter point. Fix it and go ahead and pin around the pocket inside and facing. Then sew everything. Iron it and you will end up with a beautiful pocket like this. Now time to attach the front sides together. Put the right side facing each other like so and sew it. And now that we are happy with the front and the back, we will sew them together. After we sew the inside seam, we will do the same to the right and left sides. And now time to make the waistband. Sew the ends together, but make sure to only sew half of it. That's where we are going to attach the elastic. So fold the waistband and fix it on the waistline. Sew over it. So make sure you are leaving enough space for your elastic. Put the elastic in its place and sew the edges. Make sure you sew over the little opening we left for the elastic. To finish the legs, I just fold 1 centimeter twice and sew over it. You can go ahead and sew over the middle of the elastic waistband to give it this effect. And voila, that's how you can make your own linen pants. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful. If you like it, then please make sure to let me know by giving it a thumbs up or leaving me a comment. So yeah, I guess that's it for me today. Until the next time, do your best.